All right, good afternoon, everybody. What are we going to talk about today on Coffee and Questions? Well, it's later in the day, so grab your favorite beverage, I suppose. We're going to talk about Lowe's and what kind of deals and specials do they have going on right now. And instead of focusing in on ratchet sets and wrench sets, I went out with Justin. We took a look at toolboxes, we took a look at Metabo, and a few other things. So I'm going to get right to it and, do a little voiceover thing, and I'll tell you what we were doing and what we were playing around with and what we thought was, the good, the bad. And like I said, if you're not in the trades as a mechanic or a technician, you still should consider some of these as a good value. So here we go. All right, welcome to Lowe's. First up, Craftsman set, $79.98, 81 piece. I suppose it's not bad if you're a DIYer or somebody like that. This is not bad. It was 119. Gunmetal chrome set. Okay, let's take a look. We'll take a look around. Okay, pancake compressors, $100. These are good for just shop and just light use. Nothing wrong with the price, $99. But we'll keep looking here. Let's see what else is going on. Okay, this was interesting. $498. Now this is the Cobalt Toolbox. Usually 700 and something, 61 inch. There's Justin. He's going to open up the drawers. They come padded in there, you can see. Opens and slides pretty nicely. But let's take a closer look at this here in a sec. Take the sign down. And we're going to take a look over here on the right. You got 3 110 outlets. You got a couple USB ports. The safety on and off switch. You got cord holes here. Another one over here. And there's a label if you want to hit pause and read it. And there's the struts. What's nice is it's got one on each side. And it seems to open and close. I'll show you here in just a sec. Justin's going to close it. And nice top, nice finish. Open. Yep. Okay, let's take a look. We'll put everything back here. There's a shot of the bottom label if you're interested in reading about the pounds. They're a little wobbly though, okay? See the wobble in those, but otherwise they open and slide fine. This is a nice handle on the side right here. But watch down here. Look at, you can see the sheet metal isn't super thick. You got some wobble in there. I don't know how important it is to you, but nice toolbox. Cobalt, these are the stands, sawhorse stands. And right now they're $29.98, say $30 each. This isn't bad. These are very nice sawhorse stands. I mean, if you need them for, your home or your shop, anything like that. So big display out here on those. Now here's the Craftsman Toolbox. We're taking a look at them. Now this one a little bit more in terms of construction, a little bit better I think, and it's bigger of course. So we'll take a look over here, and you've got 1 2 3 4 5, and you got the USB ports. There's Justin. He's tugging on the handle, made a little bit stronger terms of the actual sheet metal itself, I suppose. Now I don't like this. This is really a Yankee kind of a handle to put on this nice box, but I guess it is what it is. So you're kind of stuck with it. We decided let's measure it. Let's measure the depth of that hutch area. All right here, just shy of 16 inches. Now let's measure the top of that other toolbox we did, and now we're measuring the length of it here to show you. And yep, it is in fact 52 inches like it says. Then we went over, we took a look at this Metabo brushless impact driver right here. Metabo makes some very nice tools. And here's a little sample. Watch this. Zoop, all the way down and then back out. Okay, again, that's the Metabo. We just thought we'd demo it because they had it out there on display for us. And then nothing's complete, of course, without the DeWalt Extreme display. And I'll show you each one of these briefly before we move on. But let's see, here we go, 119 bucks. All right, and then there's the other one, and there's the light, and there's the battery at 60. And here's the others. And well, DeWalt is DeWalt. They always have a nice stand, nice display. Okay, and then here we got the Metabo again. And you can see you got the 289, 49.98, and $159. I mean, for these nailers. This isn't bad. This is a little bit better discount than it was in the past. The batteries, of course, at $39.99. Not bad considering the price of batteries. And there's the other one over here for $47. Now, these are the Jorgensen Clamps. These are nice clamps, and you get 4 of them for $20. I think this is a pretty good deal, actually, for, you know, medium-duty clamps. I don't own them. A guy in the club does. He says he really likes them. Okay, folks. Well, we showed you some things besides sockets and wrench sets. Those are always there. They're always on sale. So we showed you some things that are different. So I hope you like this quick tour. I hope you click subscribe. I hope you keep following me. I'm the Home Handyman's Helper, and I will see you folks again on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.